Did you know 97% of Year 5 students have never been formally taught non-verbal reasoning? Topics such as nets and 3D shapes, analogies, folding and punching are not covered in the Year 5 national curriculum. 11+ NVR questions test how students think, not what they know. So, when they face them in the 11+ exam, it can feel completely unfamiliar. Parents are often unsure how to help, and students lose confidence when questions feel like new puzzles. It's time to stop the struggle. Introducing PiAcademy's 2026-11 plus non-verbal reasoning practice papers, the best practice resource for the 2026-11 plus exams of top grammar and independent schools. Trusted by 20,000 plus parents, students, and teachers. Access instantly all detailed answers. Written by 11+ expert examiners. This pack consists of 2,000+ topic-wise questions and 95 solved non-verbal reasoning practice papers, with examiner-written answer explanations that show how to hit top marks. As a happy parent shared, PiAcademy's resources cleared her daughter's NVR concepts and helped her achieve a top score. What's more, you also unlock the 11+ non-verbal reasoning grade tracker to track your child's progress with ease and secure a 95% success rate. So, stop searching and start preparing. Subscribe today to secure your child's 11+ success.